Hi, this is Dave over at navrepair.com. Today we actually had a customer drive in like a couple hours, today like 200 miles away to bring us a radio that is having some issues. As you can see right here, this thing has a bunch of vertical lines up and down the screen. And from my experience on these and everything, it's usually just a bad LCD, but further than that could be a mainboard issue. But first what we're going to do is we're going to test it with a known working LCD screen. Okay, we're back at navrepair.com and check it out. So we went and replaced the screen on this and now it is looking great. Give the customer a new LCD and also put a fresh digitizer on the front that's nice and clear. Working nice, check it out. Very good. All right. And as usual, thank you for checking us out at navrepair.com.